Hi and welcome to Lou Designs. My name is Lou and in this channel I share easy to follow tips, tutorials, and resources about websites, funnels, graphic design, branding, and more. So if you love those topics, be sure to subscribe. Today I'm sharing 5 essential pages every coach and even service provider needs to build a website that not only attracts but also books their dream client. So grab a notebook and let's dive in. Number 1, a homepage. Of course, this is very important because your homepage is where your visitors will land and decide if they want to stay or if they want to explore your website. A strong hero section at the top of your homepage is a must. It should include a clear and captivating headline that speaks to your ideal client's needs. For example, I help women step into their next chapter with calm confidence. So this is very clear and it's like speaking directly to her ideal audience. It also should include a sub-headline explaining how you can help them and a call to action, like maybe a book a discovery call or work with me or learn more about my services. But this one is very creative. Show me how. This is very unique. So I highly recommend using the language that feels aligned with your ideal clients. The rest of the homepage should outline what you do and who you serve, the key benefits or transformations your services provide, testimonials, case studies, or a small portfolio preview. The homepage sets the tone for your entire website, so keep it professional, welcoming, and easy to navigate. Number 2, about page. Your story matters, especially now that people are longing or are thirsty for authenticity online. Use this page to build trust and connection by sharing journey and why you do what you do, your values and mission, a professional but personal photo of yourself, and end it with a call to action or CTA button that invites readers to take the next step. Number 3, services page. This is where you showcase how you can help your clients, what transformations you are offering them. Your services page is also your sales page, but it doesn't mean that you should sell your services right away. First, you should address the pain points your ideal or dream clients are facing, and then you should include your unique approach or unique method because this will distinguish you from other coaches or other service providers. This should be unique to you. A description of your services or packages, the benefits or transformation clients can expect, testimonials or case studies for credibility, and of course, a call to action or CTA button to book, inquire, or purchase your services. Number 4, blog or resources page. Now you can combine both of these pages into one and name it blog and resources page, or you can create a separate page for your blog and your resources section. Share your expertise and provide value to your clients through articles, guides, or tips related to your niche, a mix of evergreen content and trending topics, and most importantly, because this will really convert your audience into loyal followers or loyal clients. You should include links to your lead magnets or opt-ins. Number 5, contact page. Make it easy for clients to connect with you. So this should include a contact form or inquiry form. This is your chance to pre-qualify clients by asking questions that are relevant to your services. Your email address or your phone number if applicable, links to your social media platforms, and a friendly message encouraging them to reach out. And there you have it, 5 essential pages your website needs to attract and book your dream clients. Now, if you're feeling overwhelmed or not sure where to start, I've got something to make your life easier. Download my free guide, The Ultimate Checklist to Build Websites that Attract and Book Dream Clients. This is specifically for coaches and service providers. It's packed with actionable tips and steps to get your website ready. Click the link in the description box to grab your free checklist and start building a website that truly works for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment if you have any questions, or share this with your friends, especially if they're a coach or if they're a service provider. See you next time!